are so many birds up there. I wish I knew more about them.
Hello, Daisy. I heard you want to learn about birds.
Hi, Feather. Yes, I do. Can you teach me?
Of course. Birds are fascinating creatures. Let's start with my friend, Pip, the chickadee.
Hello, Daisy. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Pip. You're so small and cute.
Thank you. Chickadees may be small, but we're very friendly and always busy.
Pip, can you tell Daisy what you like to eat?
Sure, we love seeds, berries, and insects. Sometimes we even visit bird feeders that people put out.
That's cool. Do all birds eat the same things?
No, Daisy. Different birds eat different things. For example, hawks eat small animals, while hummingbirds love nectar from flowers.
Hey, Daisy, do you want to hear our song?
Yes, please.
Chickadee-dee-dee, chickadee-dee-dee.
That's beautiful. Do all birds have different songs?
Yes, Daisy. Each bird species has its own unique song. It helps them communicate and find each other.
That's right. And some birds can even mimic sounds they hear, like parrots.
Where do birds live?
Birds build nests to live in. Each bird has its own way of making a nest.
We chickadees use grass, moss, and feathers to make our nests soft and cozy.
That sounds like a lot of work.
It is, but it's worth it to keep our eggs and chicks safe.
I wish I could fly like you, Pip.
Flying is fun, but it takes practice. And some birds fly long distances when the seasons change. It's called migration.
That's right, Pip. Birds migrate to find warmer places and more food during the winter.
Wow, birds are amazing.
I'm glad you enjoyed learning about birds, Daisy.
I did. Thank you, Pip and Feather. I can't wait to tell all my friends about birds.
Bye, Daisy. Come, visit us anytime.
I will. Bye, Pip. Bye, Feather.
Remember, Daisy, the more you learn about nature, the more you'll appreciate the world around you.
And so, Daisy the deer learned all about birds and their wonderful world. She knew that by being curious and asking questions, she could discover so much about nature and the animals that live in it.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.